Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and the Galaxy S23 event is finally over. Now the Samsung's next big focus is coming onto the Galaxy A54 series or the Galaxy A series of lineup of smartphones. Now it's a tradition for Samsung now for the past couple of years that after the Galaxy S series of launch, then the Samsung comes up to its mid-range, which is the Galaxy A series. Now, starting off with this video, first of all, let's talk about when you can expect these smartphones. Now, earlier we have seen the previous renders of these smartphones with the courtesy of the Onleaks and 91 Mobile. But this time around, these smartphones are expected to be launching at the Samsung's own online event happening on YouTube on 15th of March. And not only that, we will also cover the Galaxy A54 5G. Now, what's also being known about this smartphone is that Samsung will be focusing this time more on the camera system, and this time around the camera system will be upgraded to the 50 megapixel of a primary camera. Now it's a downgrade from the 64 megapixel currently having in the Samsung smartphone, but with a better AI and optimization. Not only that, it will also be supporting an OIS in the smartphone in the primary camera, and the rest two cameras are going to be a telephoto camera and the ultra wide camera. Now there are still certain doubts whether it will be a telephoto camera or a macro or depth sensor just to cover up the numbers. We have to wait for the official event for that. Now, moving forward, about the power of the smartphone, then it will be powered by this time not a Snapdragon processor as we have seen earlier, but it will be an Exynos 1380 processor. Now, this processor, in terms with comparison to Snapdragon, it is near to the Snapdragon 778G processor, which we have seen in the Galaxy A52 or in fact even in the Galaxy M52 series of smartphone. Now, this is an Exynos processor owned by the Samsung only, and you will also be getting a 5G this time around. Now, the high performance of this processor and the Geekbench scores, as you can see, are decent enough and not so great enough, but they are decent enough to cover up for the Snapdragon 778G processor. And not only that, if we talk more about this phone, then this phone also be coming with a 120Hz of high refresh rate. You will be getting an AMOLED panel, an in-display fingerprint scanner, and whatnot. And this will also be an IP68 water and dust resistance. Now, apart from that, let's talk about the pricing of this smartphone. Now, last year the Galaxy A53 is expected to be was launched at $449, and the pricing will be remain similar to it, and it won't be changing anytime soon. So you can expect this smartphone to be launching at $449. And also, if you are in Indian pricing, looking for an Indian pricing, then this phone is expected to become around 30 to 35,000 rupees in India. Now, also the charger will not be included in the box itself, so you have to buy a charger separately. So that's an additional cost if you want to take a new charger. And that's about it. If you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so we can reach out to more and more people for more informative video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.